Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and product insights. Today, we're diving into one of the best dog harnesses on the market, the rabbitgoo dog harness. If you're looking for an adjustable harness that grows with your pet, stay tuned because this might just be the perfect fit for you and your furry friend. The rabbitgoo dog harness stands out for its versatility and comfort. Designed specifically for medium to large dogs like golden retrievers, huskies, and German shepherds. It's crafted from durable nylon Oxford and features soft padding that ensures your dog's comfort during walks or outdoor activities. It's designed with both functionality and comfort in mind, making walks enjoyable for both you and your dog. The adjustable straps and padded design ensure that your dog stays comfortable while reducing strain on their neck. Its reflective features enhance visibility, making night walks safer. Now, let's see how easy it is to put on the rabbitgoo dog harness and how it fits on a dog. As you can see, it's straightforward and ensures a snug fit that doesn't restrict movement. Compared to traditional collars, the rabbitgoo dog harness offers better control and reduces the risk of neck injury, especially for dogs prone to pulling. Its durable construction and thoughtful design make it a standout in the market. While we don't delve into specific customer reviews, many users appreciate the harness's ease of use, durability, and how it helps with leash training. It's a popular choice among dog owners looking for a reliable, no-pull harness. To wrap it up, the rabbitgoo dog harness is an excellent choice if you're seeking a durable, adjustable harness that prioritizes your dog's comfort and safety. Whether you're training a new puppy or walking a seasoned companion, this harness delivers on its promises. If you've tried this harness or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, happy walking!